Hello. Hello, everybody. Okay, so today I'm having another stream on YouTube, which I'm really happy to hold, of course, to share my knowledge with you. And now, of course, I've just launched, so need to wait for like 2 minutes for others to join. Okay, and I will take actually a piece of paper. 1 second. Okay, so hello everybody, hello. So today I'm holding a stream on YouTube. My name is Jessica, nice to see you. If you're the first time on my stream, if you're not the first time, well, thank you for coming again. My name is Jessica, I'm a professional trader analyst and a head of development at Trading Academy. So today during YouTube, Jessica, hello, how are you? I'm super, actually, I'm so super, I'm really I'd say, feeling like sporty, quite energized and feeling very purposeful. So I've done quite a lot of duties today and they made me even more focused, concentrated. So thank you. And how are you? You can also write in the chat, so how are you feeling? So again, hello everybody. Today is YouTube streams, a perfect chance for us to chat together, to know each other better. So you are able to write any questions in the chat. You are able to write how you're feeling, so what you want to hear about, maybe what like topics you want our next videos to be about. So yeah, I may also ask a couple of questions and you are free to write there anything. Of course, we are here for making good things, for sharing knowledge, for sharing a good mood. And it's important for us to keep great atmosphere during our streams. Okay, hello. What's your favorite indicator? My favorite indicator, thank you. My favorite indicator is accelerator oscillator indicator with a combination of couple of others, but this one is just perfect for usage. I showed you how to use it 2 last streams, but today I will show you in another way how you can use it. So yeah, the accelerator oscillator is perfect. It's very easy, it's very simple to understand. Hello everybody, my name is Jessica and I'm a professional trader analyst and head of development at Trading Academy. I'm holding another YouTube stream today. Thank you so much for joining, and you have a chance to write anything in comments, to say how you're feeling, actually, how are you feeling, what you want to hear about, what are your questions. So of course during this stream, along the stream, I will answer it. So please write, be welcome, be free and feel yourself comfortable. And for you to make it more purposeful, to make this stream more working for you, I would advise you to open now Pocket Option platform at the same time as you're listening to me. So quickly open Pocket Option. If you don't have it, then quickly write in DM and I will provide you a link by which, registering by my link, I'll give you a gift, 50% to your initial deposit. So it's just a quicker start for you to trade. No ads, no advertisement, it's just a gift for me. So if you don't have Pocket Option, quickly write in DM and I'll provide you with the link. And of course, repeating, there's a quick, there is already a video on YouTube about how to register on Pocket Option, but it's very quick. You just type in your email, you just type in your, make a password, and that's it. And Pocket Option is very simple, it's very easy to understand. It has the highest win rate with the highest profitabilities of its currency pairs. And of course, what's important for you is the quick top up and withdrawal of your money, by all means, of course. So it's licensed all over the world. Now, I've already opened Pocket Option platform. When you open it, you are presented with the line chart. Here it is. Well, we won't use it because it is not convenient. I mean, when you need to enter trade very quickly, you might not see like this reversal and press like 2 seconds later than the moment you should have opened the trade. So that's why we are not going to use the line chart. I go here, top left corner, chart type, and choose candle. So it's the Japanese candlestick chart, which is absolutely, hello everybody, hello, nice to see you on my stream. My name is Jessica, professional trader analyst, head of development at Trading Academy. Quickly switch to the stream, open pocket option platform, and trade with me, earning your first income professionally trading by yourself without my instruments like trading board or VIP channel, which give you the ready-made signals, but trade by yourself, the highest chance of getting yourself income. And by the way, you're also free to write any comments that you want, any questions, any feelings, any desires, of course. So as I said, I already opened pocket option platform, switch to the Japanese candlestick chart, which is very convenient to use because it shows you an evidence. So what does it actually show us? So a rise, it shows us an increase of price of a currency pair, which we are trading on. So we are trading on currency pairs. So a rise, an upward trend means a rise of a price of a currency pair. A downtrend means a drop of a price of a currency pair. So this chart just shows us the changing of a price of a currency pair. Quickly reminding for those of you who are new to my stream, so we are in Forex market, currencies are traded in pairs. So these pairs are quoted as a base currency, which stands in the first place, and quote currency, which stands in the second place. So the thing with trading with currency pair is when you're selling one currency pair, when you buy in one currency pair, you're actually selling another at the same time. Or when you're selling one currency, you are buying another currency at the same time. So for example, let me I don't know, open Australian Canadian dollar. So it's just, I'm getting to the important point of trading with currency pair. Again, revising for those of you who already been to my streams, it's very important revision. I also revise all the books, all the articles, plus of course broaden my fundamental analysis with analyzing new articles, reading news, and so extra. So again, currency pairs formed out of course two currencies. Base currency stands in the first place, quote currency stands in the second place. So if you're pressing the button higher, which means a buy position, that means you are buying your base currency, which is here Australian dollar, and selling your quote currency, which is Canadian dollar. So, and by pressing higher, that means you are predicting that the price of the whole currency pair will actually rise. And that also means you can actually, it's a good thing if you're reading the news, or well, it's important technical and fundamental analysis, but if you're reading the news, it helps a lot. It's very important. So if you're pressing the button higher, which is the buy position again, it is also, you are thinking that the base currency, which is here Australian dollar, is getting strengthened, is getting stronger than Canadian dollar. Or if you're opening a sell position, pressing the button lower, predicting the decrease of price of a currency pair, that means you'll be selling the base currency pair Australian dollar and buying the quote currency pair Canadian dollar. And that means if you're opening sell positions, that means you are thinking that the base currency is getting weaker against the quote currency. So for example, opening a buy signal, you are thinking like read all the news, you're thinking that Australian dollar, yeah, it is stronger than Canadian dollar by like analyzing the news. But if you're opening a sell position, you're read the news, if you open a sell position, that means you know that Australian dollar is getting weaker against Canadian dollar. So that's it, just a little bit about buttons, higher or lower, again, buy position, sell position, and like trading within currency pairs. So candlestick chart, currency pair here, top left corner, we are presented also with like a great list of indicators. The strategy with each indicator. I now prepare a lot of videos, share my education when I learned, when I gained a lot of income. So I share my strategies with you. So I post quite a number of videos on YouTube already. They are ready for you to watch. So please just quickly go to YouTube. If you haven't, the link is in my main Telegram channel, or quickly write in DM and I will provide you daily I post new videos, and also it's important to revise the videos, to watch it over again. And there, yeah, I tell you about different indicators with the combination of different clients, Fibonacci retracements, how to use them. And actually it's very important because each of us has his own strategy, and we try to stick to one strategy and not switch over like different instruments and different tools. So that's why it's just a great chance for you to watch all my videos and choose the strategy which is the most convenient and easy for you to understand. So please comment under my videos. I'm really glad for all your comments already. I'm reading and it's very nice. Thank you so much. So also be waiting for the next comment and put likes and of course watch. So on YouTube I tell like more in details about strategies, but today I will use one of my favorite strategy which you can actually also just repeat now opening Pocket Option platform. So what I do is I will use the accelerator oscillator indicator. Hello everybody who just joined to my stream. My name is Jessica, professional trader, analyst, head of development, Trading Academy. Quickly join open Pocket Option platform and trade with me, repeating the strategy. And also you've got a chance to comment, to write a comment, to ask a question. Of course during the stream I will answer it. And let's get in touch closer, be nice, give there like a great atmosphere, a happy one and a focused. So let's do it. Okay, so I opened the accelerator oscillator indicator. So it is an indicator, just giving you a little theory. It is an indicator that shows you a change of momentum of the market, indicating potential exit and entry points. So it's very important to remember that in your mind. Again, change of momentum and indicates potential exit and entry points. That's it. So that's just a little about accelerator oscillator. And what does it show us? Like let's switch to its chart. I'm gonna choose another currency pair which where accelerator oscillator will be more obvious for you to understand how it works. So I need to search for one. Of course I'm analyzing and the market. Okay, this one. Okay, pound sterling and US dollar. So let's switch to the accelerator oscillator chart on these currency pairs. So each currency pair has its own accelerator oscillator because of course this indicator is connected with the main currency pair chart. So let's switch it. What does it show us? Well, of course this chart, it actually shows us a change of momentum, again as I said already. And how does it work? So the important thing we notice is crossovers. The first thing we see is the zero line. So if accelerator oscillator indicator, here we are, its bars, so its bars represent the indicator itself. So if accelerator oscillator crosses the zero line below, that means an increase in bearish momentum. Remember what is bearish? Let me quickly remind you. So candlestick chart, Japanese candlestick chart contains of two candlesticks of two colors. The green ones are connected with the growth of price of a currency pair, and they are called bullish growth. And the red ones are called the bearish candlestick, which are connected with a drop of price, with the decrease of price of a currency pair, so called bearish. Again, bearish, drop of price, bullish, rise of price. So here we are, and the same thing here. So if accelerator oscillator crosses below the zero line, crosses below the zero line, that means an increase in bearish momentum, which is connected with the drop of price of a currency pair, and that means we will open a sell position. Yeah, that's it. We will open a sell position, anticipating a formation of a downward trend, and of course predicting that the price of a currency pair will decrease. But if accelerator oscillator crosses above the zero line, that means an increase in bullish momentum, which is connected with the rise of price of currency pair, and that means we will open a buy position, anticipating a formation of an upward trend, and of course upward trend means a rise of price of a currency pair. So here we are. Again, quickly repeating, accelerator oscillator crosses below zero line, we open a sell position, anticipating a downward trend, decrease in price. Crosses above the zero line, we open a buy position, anticipating a formation upward trend and increase in price of a currency pair. So this is it. And like on my first stream, I just told you how to use accelerator oscillator. Last stream, I told you how to use accelerator oscillator, this indicator, with a combination of trading by the trend. But today, I will also show you the third tool, in combination of which we will able to trade more accurately. Okay, more accurately. So I'm going to use today also the support and resistance levels, reminding you what is trading by trend. and how we use trending by trend with the strategy of accelerator oscillator. So for example, you see here, of course, a crossover. Well, it's a good thing to open trades when you just saw a crossover. So a crossover, open the right position and just wait. Well, of course, analyzing at the same time how the market is changing. But if we're seeing that there is an evident decrease, an obvious, quite long-lasting decrease of a price of a currency pair, you're understanding that there is not going to be a reversal in a time. So quite a time there's going to be still a decrease. That means you are using also trending by trend. So a crossover, but okay, already entered a trade, but now you're thinking like here that it's too late to enter a trade because there is going to be a reversal. But if you're seeing on the trend that there is an evident decrease of a price, quite a long lasting, you can still open trades even if it's not the crossover moment, because you can see the direction, opposite direction of changing of a price of a currency pair. So this is trending by trend. So looking at it, seeing like for example here was a quite gradual rise of price of a currency pair, so you also use it. And we will see it like in the trading process itself, how to use it in combination. And what I'm going to do here is use the resistance and support level with the combination of trading using accelerator oscillator plus trading by trend. So now I'm just going to actually find the convenient currency pair. So I analyze the currency pair. I just not advise, choose for your safe, stable currency pairs. What means stable? Stable means there is an obvious decrease of a price of a currency pair, there's an obvious rise of a price of a currency pair, decrease. So that means it is quite long lasting, it's obvious, and that means you've got time to open like 2 trades and more so that they succeed. So not like you're choosing a jumpable trade, jumpable chart which just reverses every like 30 seconds. No, choose for yourself a stable currency pair. And yeah, that will do. That will just help you to succeed, definitely. And of course, now I'm going to switch to another currency pair to first of all look at its accelerator oscillator, that it crosses gradually step by step, that I have time to enter trades and also look at trend, how it changes, how it moves, how it forms, and also look at it so that I understand how to actually, is it good to use this currency pair with the resistance and support levels with the combination of accelerator, oscillator and trading by trend or not. So analyze and not just press, feeling that you like this currency pair and you will trade. Not feelings put aside and just technical analysis with the combination of course, fundamental. Okay, so let's start analyzing step by step. Quite having a rough market here. Okay, just let's make it a bit slower. Okay, so I don't like the accelerator oscillator chart here. It's unstable a bit. Sometimes it happens. Never mind. It's alright. Okay. Don't like this one either. Its chart accelerator oscillator is not quite stable. This one is good, the Australian Canadian dollar. This one is quite good. Well, it is good for short trades, but still, like trading is not about rushing through and earning $1 million or losing $1 million. So I'm here to step by step gain income to cover up all my needs, pay taxes, food, entertainment, and so on. Of course, get some extra to like do shopping or to, I don't know, travel somewhere. I like traveling. I love actually traveling. Also advise you to travel. And like in comments you can write me what is your dream, what is your desire for what you actually want to spend money. It's important to also like earn money to support your family like I do, or maybe to put some like for charities. Okay, so this one is okay. By the way, I have here a pen and a piece of paper. It's important to write down notes. I said it on my YouTube video again. Subscribe to my YouTube and watch all the videos. So it's important to write down notes to fix the strategy that you use, to understand how much you put in, so what worked, what hasn't, what needs to improve, so that you don't just repeat the mistakes and go and develop yourself further. So I'm writing. By the way, I'm just fixing that on my balance now. I have like $102,000 approximately, just fixing, and maybe we will use Australian and Canadian dollar, maybe, but still, let's continue. This is quite a good one. There is a decrease, but this one, accelerator oscillator chart, is still not stable. This one is not good. This one, there is a rise. It is good for trading by chart. It is this like Australian and US dollar currency pair is good for opening like long trades for like 1 hour when you see an obvious direction of development of price of a currency pair. So it's good for this purpose, but because I've like my stream, it's quite, you know, it needs to be short for you to watch, to like put time aside for it, and of course trade by yourself, not just now during my streams, but also by your own. It's very important to develop by yourself. That's why I can't like hold long trades today, I mean like during my stream. That's why we need to find an appropriate currency pair that we will choose. Okay, let's continue. So step by step. It's okay, sometimes the system jumps. It's not connected with the platform, it's just connected that maybe the internet. It's important to check the internet, it's important to check the connection, so to make sure that everything works fine. And don't rush. Rushing brings you losses. Like on my previous stream, I earned $8,000 for like trending 30 minutes, step by step, telling you the thing about trading, telling you about the strategy, and gradually, well, of course, increasing my income. So this is how we should also do. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm just like analyzing. Never mind, still the same story. Just press it, put it, and that's it. Okay, there is a rise, and I'm gonna open a buy position here. Okay, so what I did is I opened a buy position because I saw here a crossover. The accelerator oscillator just crossed above the zero line. That means an increase in bullish momentum, which is connected with the rise of price of a currency pair, and which means also formation of an upward trend, which we already see. And yeah, that's all. So again, so a crossover crossed above the zero line, accelerator oscillator, opened a buy position, anticipation formation of an upward trend. Here it is, an upward trend forming, and of course a rise of price of a currency pair. So I'm trading now on euro and Swiss franc. And also on the left, you can see here it's expiration time. Again, reminder, expiration time is the time actually of your trade, or saying in a like a professional language, so it's the time by the end of which you're predicting if your price will rise, if you're opening a buy position, or if your price will drop. Never mind, it was close, we continue trading, never mind. It's just the market that jumped quickly, and of course sometimes it's unpredictable, but today, yeah, I was right in my choice. It still continues rising, but here it's just jumped quickly, like there was an event, it happened, and of course it just never mind. All we do is use the martingale system. When we double up the amount of money we put in, so it's 4,000, reminding. Martingale system, you can see here it's rising. Martingale system is a strategy in trading. When you double up the amount of money you put in your trade after you lost. So actually it helps you to cover up all your previous losses, and it is not risky at all. I mean, it's like 100% unrisky. Why? For example, I lost with $2,000, I doubled $4,000. I lost with $4,000, I put in $8,000, and I won with $8,000. I get the profit from putting in trade $8,000, of course, including like the profitability of currency pair, like $8,000. Let me show you. $8,000. So if I won with $8,000, I'll get a profit of $7,360 plus the initial investment. So that's it. Using the martingale system always cover ups your previous losses, plus so you get the doubled amount of money plus the initial investment. Again, repeating, martingale system, when you lose, double the amount of money you put in. When you win, you cover up all your previous losses because you've doubled up the amount of money you put in, plus you get your initial investment as your, of course, plus to your profit, which is absolutely great. So martingale system always gets us in plus. And you can see I was right, there is still a rise of the price of a currency pair. It's just that it jumped there roughly, and because of the market's changes, and that's why we kind of didn't succeed in the first trade, but that's fine, never mind. As I said, market is market, but my strategy predictions were absolutely correct. It's still rising. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'll just wait. It's important sometimes to wait. So here we are shown the time frame. Time frame is the time of a growth of a candlestick, each candlestick. So on this chart, each candlestick grows for 1 minute. Each minute a new candlestick forms. So it's important, if you're thinking here that there is a formation of an upward trend, it's important for you to wait for a confirmation candle. Confirmation candle is another candlestick after you saw a green one that shows you a rise in a price of a currency pair, that shows you a formation of an upward trend. And a confirmation candle is just another candle of the same color, of the same type, a bullish one, which proves your prediction and lets you absolutely calmly open a trade for the position that you're needed. And you can see I was here right about my prediction. So again, confirmation, so you wait here if you're thinking about price changes, or if you're thinking that there is a formation of an upward trend, you just wait for the candle to finish its growth. Here you're shown the time frame. So it's for example 32 seconds here for this candle to finish its growth. So if you're thinking now that the price is gonna drop, so there is gonna be a pullback of a price. So if you're thinking that you should wait for this candle to finish its growth, it's 17 seconds to go, and then wait for another candle of the same color to form. So I told that on my YouTube video, it's called Trading with Candlestick Formations. So use it, trade it. It's a great strategy that always works. So here we can actually see that there is a decrease of price of a currency pair, and now we are seeing a confirmation candle forming, so it still jumps. We need for it to finish its growth. So here we saw a formation of a red candle. We're thinking that the price will drop, but we need for another red candle to form and then open a sell position. Here I will just I was with $2,000, so I need to double $4,000. Okay. And that's it. I will wait for 30 seconds, then quickly open trade. And here, expiration time, when you're trading by yourself, you can set it what you think is convenient for trading within these currency pairs. So you choose a currency pair by yourself, and of course the expiration time. Okay, it's 11 seconds to go, 10. Let's wait. Okay, so this situation is quite okay, and okay, enter the trade. Okay, open the trade, predicting a drop of price of a currency pair and a formation of a downward trend. So I opened it for 1 minute. We can see here we are showing expiration time, time of trade. I predicted that by the end of my expiration time, by the end of minute, my price will be lower than the line. My price will, so again, I opened it for 1 minute. I opened it at this level of price of a currency pair, and I opened a sell position predicting that by the end of my expiration time, the price of a currency pair will be lower than the level at which I opened it. So this is it, and it is now lower. So now we're just waiting 6 seconds to go. waiting for this trade, of course, to succeed. And of course, well done to us, we succeeded. So step by step, what you do is stick to one strategy and continue trading. And I earned 6,000. Also, I write it down. I earned 6,000. I earned $3,680. Great. So on my balance at the start, I had $102,000. I lost on my first trade because of just a little quick jump of a market. Never mind. So of course my prediction was correct there. I showed you. Here it is. So I lost, and what I did is I used the martingale strategy, double up the amount of money I put in. 4,000, one with $4,000, and now on my balance I have $103,000 approximately. Of course I have like nearly $104,000. So I not only covered up all my previous losses, but I also got profit. I got in plus using the martingale system and covered up all my losses, and already earned an income to cover up some of my needs. So this is it. Now we continue trading, analyzing the chart. And I'm gonna switch to another currency pair, continue analyzing, and continue explaining you different tools that we can use. Okay, very interesting, this one. So the market today is really tricky. You can see it's so unstable, but of course it always works with that. It just takes time to find an appropriate currency pair that you need to analyze accelerator, oscillator chart, and the trend of currency pair itself. So now we are just only analyzing, that's it, not in a rush. Just a long-lasting rise of a price. But we can see here there is already a reversal. So the price, there is a pullback. The price now may start dropping, but we need here a formation of a downward trend. Of course, we need here to notice a reversal, and that's it. If I would have just quickly explained to you, reminding you, let me quickly draw here two lines. This one will call it the resistance level, and another one we'll call it, let me move it, we'll call it the support level. So this is another strategy in trading. I'm trading with support and resistance levels. So what is it? It is like I explained you, using the accelerator oscillator indicator, plus using these two levels, plus trading by trend. So it is a combination of three instruments that help you to trade accurately. So I told you already that the accelerator oscillator indicator shows you a change in the momentum. We notice crossover and understand like where the price will move. So understand how the momentum change. The momentum is connected with the price. And for example, increase in bearish momentum, that means a decrease of price of a currency pair. Increase in bullish momentum, that means a rise price of currency pair. So this is about accelerator oscillator, trending by trend. I told you, you look at the obvious developing of price of a currency pair. Here you can see like an upward one. And what is trading with resistance and support levels? So I draw two lines which represent these levels. So this line, which is higher, is called the resistance levels, and I drew it through the highest points approximately. So I looked through my chart and investigated how it reversed, and through the most repeatable reversals through the top points, I drew the resistance level, and also investigated here, looked at the reversals of the trend of the chart of a currency pair, and through the lowest points I drew a support level. How this strategy works? So this strategy, if we see that the chart is getting close to the support level, which is the higher line, that means there is going to be a pullback. Here we see a pullback, and the price is there's going to be a pullback, and we need to open a sell position anticipating a decrease of price. Again, chart just nearly touched the support level. That means we should open a sell position anticipating a pullback and a decrease of price of a currency pair. And for example, if the chart of a currency pair touches the support level, that means there is also going to be a reversal and the price is going to rebound, so start growing, and that means we should open a buy position. Again, chart touches support level, the lower line, we open a buy position anticipating a rebound of price. Chart touches the resistance level, we open a sell position anticipating a pullback and decrease of price. But here we see a situation of breakthrough. What is breakthrough? Here we can see there was a breakthrough through the resistance level. That means if our currency pair chart broke through in an appropriate direction, so here it is a formation of an upward trend and it broke through the resistance level, that means it will continue growing in this obvious direction. So it broke through the resistance level, formation of an upward trend, that means it will continue growing in such direction quite for a time. And we can see it here, yeah, it broke through the resistance level, which is the higher line, and continued forming an upward trend, continue of course the price of a currency pair continued rising. So and this crossover, the breakthrough, gives us a clue that there is going to be still a continuous development of a chart in such direction. But if, for example, let me show you, there was a little one. Actually we should change to another currency pair. But for example, if here we saw a breakthrough through the by the support level, so if the chart of a currency pair broke through the support level, so that means we would see a downward trend. That means it would continue developing the same way, so growing downward, decreasing the price of a currency pair. So this is it, and now we will use all these three tools, three instruments in combination with each other to trade accurately. So I already earned $3,680, increased my balance by $2,000 approximately already, which is absolutely greatly, and of course quite a lot, like I told you about trading in theory. And again, reminding you that you've got a chance to write some comments to ask me a question, and also reminding you that I've got a trading board. If you're just a beginner, just quickly came to trading, I've got a trading board. It's a tool for beginners which gives you a ready-made signals. It's based on artificial intelligence. It develops itself, analyzes the market, and it gives you a ready-made signals with currency pair you should choose, time expiration you should set, and of course what signals you should put higher or lower. So this is it. It's absolutely free for an access right in DM. And of course it also tells you to stick to risk management. Management is a strategy in trading where you set limits for yourself in order not to have any losses. So you need to risk per trade 5 to 10% of your balance. It's like a definition of risk management. So I advise you to put per trade 5 to 10% of your balance. Of course, it's your decision how much you put in. For example, for me, like I understand that it's enough to put in like $4,000 to trade with that sum, because it will cover all my needs, to cover all my desires. If you need more, well, trade more, but it's important that you stick to risk management, strictly stick to risk management, and put 5 to 10% of your balance per trade. But starting with $100 and $150. Why? Again, because each currency pair has its own profitability, and if you're gonna trade with if you're gonna trade with $10, let me think, you're gonna get a profit of $8. So you won't see the growth of your income at a great needed speed. So we stick to a medium level of growth of our income. That's why it's good you're starting with $100, getting a profit of $80, or $150, getting a profit of like $120. So this is it. And yeah, let's just quickly tell you, Trading Bot here, reminding in DM, I've got also VIP channel. It's absolutely free. There I by myself analyze the trend. This is my instruments for you, like a gift. I really like putting my effort in it, sharing my knowledge with you, in order that, like, for me it's enough income, enough money, but I just want more people to broaden their mind, to broaden their brains, to learn about technical analysis. Now we are using the technical analysis here, like the tools, the indicators, and also you learn about fundamental analysis from me on my videos on YouTube. I tell you quite a number of videos about fundamental analysis. What is it? What is it in it? What is it important to analyze? So watch it, please. Yeah, and in VIP channel, I by myself analyze the market and give for 2 trading sessions a day, signals, 7 to 15 signals. It's absolutely free, right in DM. And now I'm trading by myself professionally and showing you how to do it the same. Of course, you can also repeat my actions and gain your income. And I'm gonna now switch to another currency pair, continue analyzing, and that's it. Continue analyzing and trading. I'm sorry. Okay, don't like this one. And of course, yeah, remember to draw support. Well, so you can see that I like choose the accelerated oscillator indicator, and it stays when you change from one currency pair to another, but the support and resistance levels, they are for each chart of currency pair, so you draw them by yourself. So you like look at the trend. When it reverses, choose the highest points, the most, like here I would put a support, a resistance level here and a support level here. So I analyze by myself each currency pair chart, and each time I change to a different currency pair, I drew new support and resistance levels because the chart changed. Okay, and here still I'm gonna change to another one. So I'm analyzing. I'm not in a rush. I already got income, actually. That's what important for me. And yeah, already got income, and that's why I'm just continuing telling you theory, telling you. By the way, if you have, oh, hello, hi, India, okay, well, so Australian, yeah, we are trading, like, I mean, this situation, Poker Option just shows us the charts from Forex market. So it's just a platform that makes you more convenient trading, and that's why each of us has the same charts. Of course, the charts differ, like, because it is like, what is a chart of a currency pair? It's a chart of base currency plus quote currency, and it is like how much, like, what is actually a currency pair? It is how much quote currency pair you need in order to buy base currency pair. So it's an exchange rate, actually. It's called an exchange rate. For example, if it's like 1.10 on euro and US dollar chart, or just reading news, that means you need $1.10 in order to buy 1 euro. So this is it. Okay, now I'm seeing a decrease. Opening a quick, never mind, with $150, never mind. Just I actually missed the right moment while I was distracted changing the sum. So it's very important to get focused and don't miss the right time to enter trades. But never mind, we'll prepare for the next time. So I actually traded with $4,000. Let's do it with that. And now, of course, I went with $150. Let's just leave it here in order to see how much profit we'll get. So if this trade will succeed, I will get $138. But because I missed the right moment to enter a trade, it may work against that, but it may not. So now we just need to wait. The market today is quite rough. and that's why it always works. You need to like analyze what trades are yours and what trades aren't yours, and just of course stick to one trade. Yeah, it didn't succeed because I entered trade not at the right time. What I do is I traded with $150. I just double the amount of money I put in. Let's do it $300, never mind. Okay, and still I continue analyzing because I'm not in a rush. Can I copy your trade? Well, oh, yes, actually my stream, of course you can open pocket option now quickly with me and trade, analyze the currency pairs now with me, open trades with me also at the same time. And yeah, but of course for your education I will leave like the broadcast, the stream, the video of the stream on my YouTube channel, so that you'll be able later on to revise my strategy and to repeat the actions. Of course, but there will be another chart. There will be another chart, and you need to. Okay, now I opened a buy position, anticipating a continuous growth of a price of a currency pair. So here we are getting close to the crossover moment when the accelerator oscillator is going to cross above the zero line, which will mean an increase in bullish momentum connected with the rise of price of a currency pair. So here a crossover above the zero line means I would have opened a buy position, which I did, predicting a formation of an upward trend and a rise of a price of a currency pair, which we already seen. Here's the level of price of a currency pair at which I opened a trade, and here's time left of the trade, so it's like 20 seconds left. I opened it for 1 minute, and now let's just wait for it. Yeah, market jumping, so of course it will continue growing, of course, but today market rough. Never mind. Of course, what I do is I stick to this strategy and continue trading, covering up my losses plus getting the profit. So never mind, I'm still actually like in profit. I started with $102, so still in profit, but now of course I'm still right. You will see that there is still going to be a continuous growth of a price of a currency pair, but you can see that there is quite a lot of jumps of market now, and well, sometimes it's just market, it's like events that happen in one time, in 1 second. We just continue trading, doubling the amount of money we put in and succeeding. That's it. Continue, and don't forget about the timing. Put yourself like 4 hours a day trading. That's enough for a start. And don't forget to like sleep, to have meals. It's very important for you to work, and it's important for you like to produce great results. You need to self the health. Okay, so here we are gonna actually, we see that there is a continuous decrease of price of a currency pair. But here I want to wait for another candle forming. A red one, green one here, yeah. So there should be a reversal, but there might be a quick jump, and then still a continuous. I would do here like a long trade, a 1 hour trade, which will be great. Yeah, thank you for your comments. I'm really glad for them. Thank you thank you for joining my streams. Thank you for trading with me. Thank you. I'm just really glad. Thank you. Okay, this one, remember that I'm not in a rush. I'm already in a profit, so I'm here actually just to talk with you and to explain, to answer your questions. Yeah, of course, you can enlarge your income. Step by step. It depends on how much money on your balance you have. But remember not to risk more than 5 to 10% of your balance per trade. It's very important. So yeah, you can actually put the amount that you're interested in. And you can actually increase if you're seeing that today is a good market day, then yeah, you can surely trade and increase very quickly your income, like from $100 to $10,000. Okay, and there is a rise, but there is going to be a pullback, so still continue analyzing. This one is a good one, so I'm going to open a sell position here, anticipating formation of a downward trend, and a decrease of price of a currency pair. So this is it. And now we just need to wait for the trade to succeed. We already see that we are getting close to the crossover situation. But yeah, the market is harsh today. Never mind. I will still just double the amount of money I put in and continue trading. And I can actually open, there is still going to be a crossover and there is going to be a decrease of price. So you can see that there is a tendency still of a decrease of price of a currency pair. And there is going to be still a continuous decrease of price of a currency pair. So, and you can see that it's getting here, it's just quite slowly going. So we would like, it's better to open maybe for like 5 minutes or so. So it's very important. Never mind, I'll just double the amount of money that I put in. This is it. And continue trading. Okay, if you want, actually, I've got personal mentorship, which is okay. It is, yeah, it costs some money. Starting package, the price of starting package starts from $500. If you're interested like in personal mentorship, write in DM in my Telegram channel, text me, and I will like tell you all the terms and what is included, and we'll get in touch. But like for a free chance for you just to already get knowledge is to watch all my videos, use Flip Channel Trading Bot, and join my streams. And this is it. I was right. So there is gonna be a decrease. So I actually. Yeah, I'm wanting to open a long trade here, not just for like 1 minute. We're doing a 5-minute trade. Yeah, 5 minute or maybe 3 minute. 3 minute will do. 3 minute will do. And actually, what you can do, or it's just like never mind. That's just Pocket Option has like some attractive stickers and so on, and. Yeah, we can also switch to another currency pair while we are waiting for this trade to go. I'm just writing the currency pair, so I'll return to it. Oh yeah, I do a giveaway. I hold it, of course, yes. And I write to like the people who won. I write to them directly. So continue taking part. And yeah, maybe you'll win. Some of the people I already sent them money and texted them, so continue taking part. But giveaway is not the most important, because you'll earn more money by yourself if you continue trading with me and using my, of course, skills. So what you do is we continue analyzing. I'm gonna open here a quick position. Actually, you can do here. And you opened a buy position anticipating a rise of price of a currency pair, and we already see that there is that my strategy is correct. So I saw a crossover when the accelerator oscillator indicator crossed above the zero line. That means an increase in bullish momentum, which is connected with the rise of price of a currency pair and a formation of an upward trend, which we already seen. So I opened trade at this price of a currency pair, and I got profit. Well done to us. So I got profit of $552, covered up all my previous losses. Absolutely great. Absolutely great. And I'm writing down my profit, and I'm gonna of course increase my income and continue trading still and showing you the strategy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Of course, I'm here for everybody to explain, to share my knowledge. I put a lot of effort into it. I'm kind, I'm very heart open, so use it, gain income, broaden your mind, but be healthy. That's important. Stay healthy, and of course do great in this profession. So I would just be more grateful if you like make trading like your everyday profession, and just make it as your professional income, make it as your main job. That's great. Okay, we can see that there is a rise, still a rise, but I'm thinking that there is going to be a reversal soon. So actually, let's wait. We can see that here was the highest point, and if I would have drew here a resistance level, which would mean that if it touches the resistance level, let me draw it quickly. For example, the resistance level here resistance level. Here it is. So it already broke through the resistant levels actually, and it will continue growing in such a way, but there is this top we need to wait. Okay, yeah, we can see there is a reversal. Oh, it continues, yeah. So it's a breakout moment. It's a breakout moment, which means that if the currency pair chart breaks through one of the levels, let me quickly draw the second level here. It is the support level through the lows of the chart and resistance through the highs of the chart. So if your currency pair chart breaks through one of the levels, it means it will continue rapidly developing in the same way still. And we can see that, yeah, I got another profit of $552. So this is it, we are written a profit. So like 1,152 is your full profit. But if you're just like, you put in $600 and your full profit will be $1,152, but your clear profit will be $552. So this is it, just telling you again, breakout moment. That means there will be that means there's not going to be a reversal. If it broke through one of the levels, that means it will continuously develop in the same direction. So here it continuously develop in like an up position. But still, there might be a reversal, so the market is changeable and reversing, so it will of course occur. So what we do is just wait and continue analyzing. So I already got quite a big profit, and I'm gonna like trade with 2,000. So because I want to cover all my needs, I pay quite a lot for my apartment and for my food. That's why I'm going to increase the money that I put in my trade. Yeah, and okay. Okay, super greatly. Wow, hope it succeeds. Okay, there is going to be, we can see that accelerator oscillator indicator shows that there is going to be a reversal soon. And but now, I mean, it still continues growing, so I'm gonna wait for another candle. Hope it actually trade here, because I'm thinking that still it will continue growing. Like I opened a trade for 30 seconds, anticipating still so that the price will rapidly continue rising. Again, this is a resistant level. The currency pair chart broke through the resistant level, which means that the price of a currency pair will change in such way continuously. And this is it. I got another profit of $1,840. Yeah, absolutely great, and I think that's enough for today's stream. It's like 1 hour. Thank you very much. So for today's stream, I earned, let me quickly calculate, so I earned $3,500 just trading with you, at the same time spending quite a lot of time explaining the theory, the technical analysis, the tool, the instruments, and at the same time, of course, showing you how these strategies help you to gain income. So I started with $102,000, and now it's or approximately $6,000. So yeah, greatly. Thank you very much for joining my streams. And thank you for your comments. We'll be waiting next time. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube, waiting for your comments, and join my next stream. I'll be waiting for you. This was with love, your Jessica. As always, have a good day, successful trading, and thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.